Hello guys, I'm back with another pick a card reading. So today's topic of the reading is what is the profession or personality of your future spouse and what will be their characteristics or traits. We're gonna find it out. It's all about your future spouse, could be your future husband and future wife. So we will be talking about that, okay? Their personality and all, and the profession. If I see any, then I will be letting you know the professions as well, okay? So yeah, you have three piles in front of you and you have to choose one pile among them. The pile which catches you up the most, you have to choose that one as usual, okay? For choosing the pile, you can close your eyes and breathe in, breathe out 3 times. After that, when you open the eyes, the pile which catches you up the most, it is your pile. Now for pile number 1, you have the option of the purple color stone. For pile number 2, you have option of orange color stone, and for pile number 3, you have option of this green color stone. You can choose any one of them and I will be meeting you in your reading. Please guys, like, subscribe, share my channel so that I can make more and more videos for you, okay? And till the time you can choose the pile and I will be meeting you in your reading. Hello guys, this is a reading of those who chose pile number 1, this purple color stone. Let's see the characteristics of your future spouse, who will be your future spouse and all, okay? These are the tarot, I will use them in the end. First let's see with your oracles here what you have got. Intimacy, and you have got serendipity. I see that you already know this person, many of you here, because I'm getting here you were already in connection with this partner, okay? Or if you don't know this person, then I see that for many of you, I see that you will be coming out of some darkness and you will be healing and moving on from something. At that time, you will be meeting this partner, and in that time, you will be, getting into connection with that partner. And yeah, for some of you, I see that this is the one you already have dealt with and you are going through some problems, some struggles in the connection, because of which maybe you are not communicating. For some of you, because of that, I see that this person and you are not in good communication. But I see that you are somewhere feeling yourself in dark, and you are feeling when you'll get the clarity and happiness in your life, and I see that you are moving towards the clarity, okay? So don't worry. So I see that for those persons who already know this person, you will be moving towards clarity and you will be getting into the connection back. You will be getting into soul union once again, and you will be getting into this beautiful intimate connection. And definitely I'm even getting here that for those who don't know this person, then I see that you will be moving out from a connection, or maybe moving out from some darkness of your past, and you will be moving towards this brightness and this clarity. This will be a blessing from the spirits and angels. It will be a blissful connection for you. Like you will be getting this union, this beautiful changes, this happiness, as you see that, you will be happy with this person, and this person will keep you very happy, and you will be really very, I would say, feeling very good and feeling very abundant and peaceful, okay? So I see that you will be getting lots and lots of peace and harmony in this connection, and this will be a soul level connection. Like you will be united and you will be very happy, like going out and having fun, maybe traveling somewhere. I even see that you will be having candlelight dinners for many of you, and this person will keep you very happy. This person will be just like your soul, your soul partner, and will give you all what you will be needing. Miracles and flow. Yeah, so I see that for many of you, I'm picking up here that you will be moving out of some problems and some darkness, like some stuckness you will be in, and you will be moving. I see that the flow will come to you when you will be meeting this person, or whosoever this person will be. Maybe you know this person or not, but I see that there will be lots of flow of abundance and lots of prosperity you will be having with this person and in the connection. Maybe I see that you will be meeting this person in the full moon, many of you, okay? Or you may have met already, okay? And for some of you, I see that in daylight, I see that you will be moving this person, okay? Meeting this person, sorry. I'm even getting here that there will be a miracles, it will be a miraculous and very beautiful connection, which will bring lots and lots of happiness and clarity in your life. And definitely every darkness will clear out from your life, and you will be getting all the brightness and all the light in your life because of this connection. So your partner, this is the future spouse. This person will keep you very happy. I'm even getting here, this person will be a very miraculous type of a person who will, I see that maybe this person will be having solutions to all the problems, and this person will just be like a magician, and this person will sort out everything. Like even if you will be angry or if you will not be happy, this person will make you happy. This person will make you feel very good and make you feel very happy. And I see this person will see you very pretty, and will appreciate you a lot and will help you get the clarity in your life. So this is that person who will be a very beautiful and charmer in your life, and this person will bring lots of flow of abundance and prosperity in your life. So this is that person. Let's see now. Calling in your soulmate. This is your soulmate, worth waiting for, and attraction. So I see that for many of you, this is a confirmation that you already know this person and you are waiting for this person, worth waiting for. Like, you have gone through some struggles maybe, but I see that soon this person will make a move your way back and you will be getting married with this person. So you already know this, your future spouse, many of you. And I see that maybe there's some stuckness and problems going on. Okay. But I see that you need to wait for this person, worth waiting for. Okay. After some time on the divine timing, I see that this person will be coming out and will be moving towards you. It will be like a miracle. It will be like really very unexpected, and at the most unexpected time, you will both come back to union and you will be united, because it will be from angel side, and lots of flow will come into your connection. Flow of happiness, flow of union, flow of abundance will be there, and you will be getting back into this beautiful soul level, intimate and united connection. I see that right now you are waiting for this person. Many of you are calling in your soulmate. You already know this person. You are having many prayers and affirmations. You are believing and trusting on the universe, and definitely universe will because of your manifestations, you will be getting the flow right now very soon. Like very unexpected will be a miracles. Everything will be clear. Okay, so just wait for some time, things will be fine. Attraction. I see that there will be lots of attraction and passion between you guys, and because of that magnetic attraction, you will once again get united. And for the others of you who don't know this person, I see that it will be a miracle. Like when you will be stuck, you will be meeting this person at that time. And definitely for some of you, I see that you have never been in relationship and you're waiting for a good partner with whom you can have a future, with whom you can get married. So I see that you're feeling very dark and you're feeling when you will be get that person. So don't worry, you are calling in your soulmate. You are definitely having prayers and manifestations you are doing. So because of your manifestations and your wait and your patience, I see that this person I see that it will be abundance, like angels and spirits will be blessing you, and you will be getting the miracle very soon. It will happen. You will be having lots of attraction and passion for one another. Like for those who don't know this person, and this person will make a move in your life and bring lots and lots of flow of abundance, and definitely you will be having this soul level connection. So it will be basically from the universe and from the divine and angels. For some of you, those who never met this person, this will be a person this will be a fruit of your patience from the universe. Okay, now let's see. You have coins. This person will be very wealthy. I see here money will be coming to you. So I see this person will be very wealthy, very workaholic, very determined, very focused. This person will bring lots of flow of abundance, or maybe right now is working for that, and after that this person will be just like make a move your way unexpected, and you will be very happy with this person. This person will keep you very happy romantically, emotionally, financially also. Beware of great pride. Okay, I see that maybe this person, for some of you, because of their wealthiness, because of their they will be at very high position, and I see that because of that, for some of you, this person will be very pride and will be very proudy. Okay, this will be a bit of thing which you need to be changed. Like you need to change this person. This person will be very proudy type of a person, and will be at very high position. Okay, but very wealthy. Okay, this is what I'm getting here. Or maybe I see that you will be healing this person. You will be moving this person to the clarity and to this love. You will be showing this person. Okay. Funnel. Period of frustration. Lessons to be learned. Okay. I see that. Yeah. This is a confirmation for many of you, those who are right now going through some frustrations and you are learning some lessons. For some of you, this is a period of frustration. You are waiting from a long time for this person to come back to you, and soon this person will make a move and you will be getting into united. For the others of you, you are learning the lessons and you will be moving out of your past negative connections. Then you will be meeting this person, getting into this beautiful connection, and you are calling in that person. It will be unexpected and a miracle, okay, for you guys, okay? And it will be like very, I would say, a flow of happiness to you, you know, a flow of happiness to you basically. Okay, this is also there. Gong, an exciting event. Okay, so it will be very excited and unexpected thing when this person will make a move your life, even if you know this person or not. Like if you don't know this person, then also this, it will be very unexpected time. When you know, if you know this person, it will be unexpected, this person will come back to you. Okay, those who don't know this person, I see that it will be like you will get some signs and symbols that yes, this is the fruit of my patience, fruit of my wait. Okay, now let's see from the tarot here. Page of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces could be your partner. This person will be very, I would say, romantic, will be having lots of feelings for you, will be making a move back to you and will be expressing you the love, how much they love you. They will tell you that, okay, and will come back to you. Your wait will be granted, like, you know, you will be having lots of love, emotions. This person will be very caring, understanding, very romantic. Page of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. For many of you, this person is already spying on you, looking at you, what you are doing. This person will be very witty also at the same time, a chatter. Like this person will like to talk like very much. This person will like to talk with you and have some, you know, cutting down the negative things and will be bringing clarity in your way and expressing you everything. Judgment. For many of you, this is a reconciliation and you will be, it's a reconciliation for many of you. For others of you, it's an angelic and spirit guided connection, which you will be having. Scorpio could be you or your partner. You will be, I see this person will be bringing lots of balance in your way and you will be, this will be a fruit. Yeah, you will also be a fruit for this person. Definitely, this is what I'm getting here, and you will be getting lots of balance and happiness. Many signs you will be getting that yes, this is the one, yes, this is the one. So it's your soulmate and a spiritual level connection with your partner you will be having. Three of Cups, I see here. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, water sign, very much prominent here. So for some of you, this could be a person from your friends who is having a crush on you, and unexpectedly this person will be telling you or expressing you. For the others of you, if you were going through some problems because of some third party here, like, you know, as you had gone through some separation because of the third party or some other person's interfering your connection, then this is a reconciliation. This person is coming back to express you and once again have reunions and celebrations and have some, you know, expression and love time to you and spending some time with you. Next, Justice, Libra, could be you or your partner. Sun, this is the Aries, Leo or Sagittarius. So I see that for many of you, this is a person you already know. Basically, this person will give you lots and lots of balance. This person will give you lots of happiness. This person will give you equal give and take. The way you invested a lot, this person will also invest in the same way. This person will bring lots of joy, happiness, prosperity in your life and will be bringing lots of completion and will be bringing, this person will show you the inner child, will tell you every single thing which this person is feeling. You will be having a very beautiful soul level connection. Yeah, soul level connection, angelic connection this will be, and you will be having a beautiful bond together. You will be expressing and, you know, very happening this person will be for you. Okay, I'm even getting here this person, for some of you this person could be lawyer, maybe judge, okay, in police or something like that. For the others of you, this person could be in some creative field but will be having lots of money. I even see that for some of you, this person could be having very big social circle, very rewarded, very recognized this person will be. For others of you, this could be in public eye, like, you know, very famous. Okay, this person could be. So yeah, this is what I'm getting here. Yeah, this was the reading of pile number 1. If it resonated with you, do tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share my channel, guys. I will meet you in the next reading. Till then, bye, take care, have fun, bye guys. Hello guys, this is the reading of those who chose pile number 2, this orange color crystal. Let's see the future spouse, personality and all. First I will be using the oracles, then I will be letting you know with the tarot. Okay, let's start. Distorted feminine and the boundaries. Okay, so I see that this, okay, I see this is you. This is not for your partner. For many of you, I see that this is you. If you are the feminine watching the video, then you are really very distorted. I see you have gone through lots of, I would say, negative things in your life, like negative love relationships maybe, or could be any sort of, you know, conflicts or defeats and struggles you have gone through in your life, because of which you are very distorted. You are very disturbed and you are really very sad and you're really very depressed. Okay, I see that you're feeling as if you are going down and there's no clarity clarity and happiness in your life. So you are distorted right now, and you are being bound, you have created boundaries and you have created guards around yourself. So for many of you, this is the feminine. If you are the feminine watching the video, then this is you, who have created boundaries around yourself and who is not at all opening up, who is not at all able to accept the clarity, who is not at all having the clarity in their life, and is very distorted and is very sad and deprived and very down, okay? And very guarded up, very, very blocked basically. So this is you for many of you, I'm getting here, who's distorted, who don't know what will happen, what type of partner I will get. Even if I see that the more you will be bounded, the more you will be guarded up, I see you will not be able to meet this person, this future spouse. But if you want to meet this future spouse, you will have to free yourself and you will have to put down your guards and the boundaries. Now, for the others of you, if you are not the feminine watching the video, and then I see that the partner which you will be meeting, the future spouse, will be very guarded, will be very very guarded up and having boundaries around themselves. They will be distorted. So I see that you will have to heal them. You will have to bring clarity in their life. Okay. So for the others of you, if you are not the feminine, then the person you will be meeting, the feminine one, I see this person will be distorted and guarded up, and you will have to heal this person. You will have to bring happiness in this person's life. Okay. So this is what I'm picking up. Patience and thriving. Okay, so I see that this person will be having lots and lots of patience. This person will be having lots and lots of, I would say this person will be very cool and very calm type of a personality, very excited this person will be. I see that maybe you could be waiting for the future spouse from a long time. You are having patience from a long time, and now I see you are guarded up. You have created boundaries around yourself, because even after so much of patience, you are not getting anyone who can bring happiness and clarity in your life. Okay, so this could be you for some of you. Okay, and definitely I see that for the others of you, your partner will be very cool and calm and very compassionate, and you will meet your person after some time, like on the divine timing, and you will have to wait for that. You will have to heal this person and have to keep the patience. Like you will have to go slow with your future spouse. This is what I'm getting here. Now I'm getting here thriving. So this means that your partner will be very excited type of a person, and I see this person will be very guarded up. You will have to coolly and calmly, you will have to bring clarity and happiness in this person's life, and you will have to bring clarity and you will have to bring completion in this person's life, so that this person will be open and will be having beautiful connection with you. For the others of you, this could be you. I see, if this thing is matching with you, then this is your energy. Like if you feel that you are guarded up and you are waiting from long time, then this is your energy. Then your partner will bring the happiness and clarity and will be coolly and calmly. This person will be coming into your life and will be making you heal. Okay, then this could be your energy. Okay, you know better. Now let's see. Free yourself, new love, finances and career. Okay, so I see that for many of you, I'm picking up here that this person this person would be guarded up, and I'm picking up here this person will have to free themselves. This person will have to, move out of all the restrictions and of the all the hurdles of their life, or maybe the past negative things which they have gone through. This person will have to free themselves, and this person will have to go with the flow. Okay, so you will have to wait for this person, because this person will be needing the healing. Only then this person will be bringing the clarity in your life. So this person will have to free themselves and will have to make a move your way. This person will have to free themselves from the boundaries which they have created. Or for the others of you, if this is your energy, then you will have to free yourself and you will have to come out of the boundaries which you have created to meet this new love in your life, to meet this happiness in your life, to meet this person who will be bringing romantic feelings, emotions, balance, harmony, peace, clarity in your life. You will have to free yourself if this is your energy. Then now for the others of you, if this is your partner energy, then I'm picking up here this person will have to free themselves. Maybe they are guarded up because of some financial issues or finances and career problem. Like maybe this person going through some financial problem, and that's why they are guarded up. So they will have to free themselves from all those distorted things and the problems, and they will have to make a move your way and will have to bring new love in your life. This person will have to bring new love in your life. So this person will be healing and bringing the new love. You will have to wait for that time. Okay, now I'm even getting here that You will be very happy also with this person, okay? Or maybe for some of you, I see you will be meeting this person at your work, or maybe you already have met this person at your workplace. Could be at your workplace this person will be the future spouse, okay? For some of you, not for all. Now you have the vulture, depression, anxiety, worry that someone is engaged you, okay? Yeah. So I'm getting here that I told you, like, it could be your energy or maybe this partner energy, you know better. But one person here will be very in depression, anxiety, worry. There will be many envy and jealous persons in the life, okay? And this person, whosoever you or maybe this, you will have to free yourself and will have to make a move and come out of the problems and will have to heal. Yeah. So I see maybe this person have gone through many anxiety and depression and negative things. So you will have to wait for the healings, or you will have to help them for healing. You will have to bring love in their life, or you will be bringing. Veg, someone is trying to come between you and a friend or something you want, okay? So for some of you, I see that there will be many envy persons, those who will try to create hurdles, those who will try to create boundaries and problems between you, and those who will try to create negative things between you so that you cannot be united. So you will have to be caring for this, and you will have to free from any sort of restrictions will be there, and you will have to, but I see on the divine timing things will be fine. So you will have to go with the flow, free yourself from these negative things, and be careful what person is doing, you know, or creating what in your life. Now, Quill, get back to the basics. Mountain, major challenge to overcome. So there will be lots of challenges, and again the challenge here is the boundaries which will be created by this person. This person will have to let the boundaries down. This will be the challenge which you both will have to overcome together, and there will be many other persons interfering, trying not to put the boundaries down. So you will have to deal with that. Get back to the basics. I see that you will have to start a new love. Okay, so get to the basics means that you will have to, this will be a new love. For many of you, this will be a totally new love. There will be a major challenge. You will have to leave the negative and past restrictions and past relationships behind. Now this will be the jealous and envy person, the ex maybe, who can try to interfere. But you will have to leave your past connections behind to meet this person, to bring the new love in your life. Or maybe this person will be all guarded up and will be all, going through your problems. And this will be the major problem here, that you will have to heal this person, and you will have to bring new love in this person life, okay? So this is what I'm getting here, and you will have to start from the basics. So this will be a basic relationship, a new start which you both will be having together, and will slowly this connection will be having lots and lots of love and happiness. So you both will have to deal with these problems, okay? Healing each other. Moon, okay, so this is the person, could be Pisces, you or maybe your partner. The Empress, Taurus and Libra. Ace of Wands, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. Then you have King of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus, 10 of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and 9 of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So I see that for many of you, this will be a totally new love. Let me tell you, it's like one person energy here. Maybe you will be gone through these negative things, the breakups and the negative and past relationship, or maybe this person will be gone through these things. One person here will have dealt with these things. I see that this could be maybe this person. Like for many of you, this will be this person, the future spouse will be dealing with many things already in the past, and you will have to heal this person. So this person will be very stuck, very negative, very sad, very down, okay, will already have been cheated and deceived. So you will have to work with patience with this person. You will have to go slow, and you will have to be caring and be loving with this person like a mother. You will have to give this person love. If you will be giving this person love, then you will be having love back, and there will be a totally new love which you will be bringing in this person's life. Like you will be starting with the basic, okay? I'm even getting here that this will be person you will be having kids with, you will be having babies with, okay? This is what I'm getting here. Or for the others of you, this person could be married, could be having babies, and will be separated, divorced maybe. And that's why you will have to heal this person. For some of you, I'm saying. But I definitely see here that there will be lots of attraction and passion which you will be having towards each other. And it will be a totally new start which you will be having together. You both will be having new start and new beginnings, and, basic things you will be having together. I see that this person, because of going through many of tensions, this person will be many in tension, very much blocked. This person will be very depressed, very sad. This person may be having mother issues, like maybe have lost the mother, that's why this person will be guarded up. Or for some of you, this person may never have got the mother's love, that's why this person will be guarded up and will be so sad. Okay, so this will be a problem, and this will be a challenge which you will have to overcome together. Okay, but again, I see you will do that. Whatever the problem may be, because of the problem, this person have shifted all the focus towards the career, toward the money, toward the finances, and will be like just wanting money, finances. Okay, will be wanting the settling down the career, and will be very practical, logical, very stubborn. Okay, this person will be, because of the problems this person have gone through, and will be guarded up. Okay, so I see that you will have to heal this person. This will be a major challenge. You will have to heal this person, bring new love in this person's life. You will have to settle this person down, bring a path and clarity in this person's life. And if you do that, you will be getting love back. You will be getting the new love back. Okay, so this person will be bringing the love to you if you will be healing this person. So you will be meeting this person, for some of you, at your workplace maybe. Okay, this person could be your boss for some of you. I'm even getting here that you will also have to be in independent energy. The more you will be in that energy, the more quick you will be healing this person. Yeah, I'm even getting here that you will be single when you will be meeting this person, and this person will also be single when you both will be meeting each other. So it will be a new love, but you will have to go slow in this connection. Like, you will have to keep the patience, and your patience will be tested definitely, because there will be lots of struggles which you have to overcome. Only then you will be making this new love, and you will be marrying each other and having babies also together. Okay, this is what I'm getting here for you guys. Yeah. And you will be bringing comfort and luxury in each other's life. So you will have to put the boundaries down to get back together. Or for some of you, you will be going through these things, and this person will heal you and bring new love in your life. Okay, you know better, but it will be a major challenge, I see, for both of you. Okay, so this was the read. Okay, yeah, one more thing. This person could be at a very high position. Okay, maybe struggling with the finances, but this person will be working very hard for the finances, and will be at a high position. For some of you, will be having lots of money. For others, this person will be struggling for money. For some of you, this person will be in some very creative offer or creative things. For some of you, this person could be in bank, or maybe having business, or you also will be a business woman. You both will be businessman and women, or employees together. Okay, so yeah, this is what I'm picking up here for you. So this was the reading for pile number 2. If it resonated with you, do tell me in the comment box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share my channel, guys. I will meet you in the next reading. Till then, take care. Have fun. Bye, guys. Hello, guys. This is the reading of those who chose pile number 3, the green color stone. Let's see who will be your future spouse, their personality and all. I will be first of all using the, the oracles. Then we will be moving to the tarot. Let's see. Forgiveness, life purpose, power, community, okay, unrequited love, getting to know each other, honeymoon. Let's see here also. X forces working against you, okay. Teardrops, great personal sorrow, waiting for news package and letter, okay. You feel something is lacking in your life, perhaps love, money, or goals. And vacation. Okay, we will see these things afterwards. First, let's talk about these cards, okay? I see that for many of you, I'm picking up here that you will go through unrequited love. You may have gone through unrequited love, and you will love someone very truly and deeply, but the other person, you will not get the love back, and because of that you will be really very sad, very depressed, very, I would say, when you meet this person, I see that you will be going through unrequited love. You may have gone through the negative things and all, or maybe this person may have gone through unrequited love when you will be meeting this person. So I see that one person here will have to forgive, and let go their past, and will have to bring new love in their life, and they will have to open up themselves. So I see that maybe this person will need to forgive and forget the past connections, the negative things which they have gone through, and will have to bring new love, and will have to open themselves to the new things. Okay, then you will be meeting this person. Or for the others of you, you may have to forgive and forget the past things for meeting this person. But I see that whosoever this person will be, you will be having a life purpose together. You will be having a soul purpose together. the sole purpose will be of healing one another. You both will be having that. I see that you I see that for meeting this person, you will have to forgive and forget many things. For some of you, I'm even getting here, this person could be the one you already know. Like maybe this person would be the one you may have gone through unequated love with, you may have gone through problems with, and this person will come back to ask for forgiveness from you, and you will have to act very calmly and soothly, and you will have to open yourself, you will have to release and let go the negative past, and you will be getting back together into union and completion. For some of you, not for all. But I would say that this is for 10%, and for 90% of you, you will have to forgive and forget your past connections to meet this person and to be with this person. And you will be having and serving a soul purpose for each other. Yeah, this is what I'm getting here. And you will be bringing completion and love in each other's life. You will be opening each other. You will be opening one another heart, and you will be bringing the completion. I see that you both will treat each other as you are a world of each other, and you both will bring lots and lots of harmony, peace, and union in each other's life. This is what I'm getting here. So you both will have the life purpose of healing, of bringing love, and of opening the other person up, of making them forget about their unequated love and all. So this person will let you forgive your past unequated love and will bring lots of happiness, will help you open your heart, will bring love in your life. So this person will, when this person will come to you, this person will bring, I see that this person maybe for some of you will be in some community work, like will be very working hard and will be having lots and lots of social status, and for some of you, I'm getting here, this person could be in public eye, and many persons will be jealous and will be, I would say, envy of this person. Okay, but this person will be very transforming. Like this person will bring lots and lots of changes in his life, in your life. I'm getting here, this person will be having lots of power. Your connection will be very powerful, like very powerful connection. Your connection will be, it will be like very thundering connection, as I told you, like life purpose and power. So your connection will be very spiritual and soul level connection from universe, and you both will have life purpose to be with each other, to bring completion and happiness in each other's life. So this will be a universal connection, like a spirit guided and angelic connection, and a connection which will be from the God side, okay, and which will let you open the dimensions of love. I'm getting here that you will be getting married and you will be going on the honeymoon with each other. You will enjoy lots and lots of happy time together. You will be traveling many places. You will be bringing lots of clarity in each other's life, or maybe you will be meeting this person when you will be traveling somewhere, when you will be on vacation. Yeah, you will be meeting this person when you will be on vacation, or maybe for some of you, you will be going out on vacation with this person. You will be having a quality and beautiful time together, and you will be having lots and lots of happy time together. You will be sharing. So I see that for getting to know each other, you both will be going out having fun, and you both will be bringing clarity in each other's life. You both will be, I would say, releasing the unequated love, and you both will be opening one another heart for each other, and you both will get to know each other well. You both will reveal your innermost true feelings for each other. So it will be a very powerful angelic connection. You will know that this person will be very powerful. I feel like this person will be at very powerful position. This person will be very maybe in some community work, like this person could be in some community work, maybe judge, or maybe a priest. For some of you, I'm getting here, for some of you, this person could be in a high profession, or in some religious working or something like that, or maybe in public eye, as I told you. Military, something like that this person will be. Now let's see. Okay, for others of you, this could be, the 10% of you, if you already have dealt with unequated love, you both will have to forgive each other. You both will have to serve the life purpose, and will have to get to know each other well, and, bring the clarity in each other's life. But this will be for few of you. For many of you, it will be a totally new person. Okay, let's see. X forces working against you. So I see that there will be many persons who will be against you, many jealous and envy persons, those who will try to create hurdles your way, those who will try to create blockages and defeats and struggles in your way, and you will have to forgive and forget all these negative kind of person, those who may try to create unequated love between you guys. You will have to cut these persons down out of your life, and you will have to realize the power of this connection and get to know each other well. It's very important here. Okay. Yeah, And for 10% of you, if you have been unrequited love, this was because of other persons entering in your connection, but now you will be realizing and opening each other and will be getting married. Okay, this is for 10%. Let's see next. Teardrops, great personal sorrow. So yeah, I'm getting here for many of you, you will have to release and let go this teardrops, this negative things which you have gone through, and get to know each other well, and you will be bringing love in each other life and having, you know, good and fun time. You have to be careful also, like many persons will try to create teardrops in your way, will try to create hurt, and will try to create problems in your love relationship. So you will have to deal with them and take care of it. Kite, vacation. So you will be going on vacation, having fun together, or maybe for some of you, you will be meeting this person when you will be on vacation because of some sorrow or something like that, or when you will be moving from the sorrow, you know, for some of you, not for all. Or you will be meeting this person when you will be on your vacation time. Let's see, Beryl, you feel something is lacking in your life, perhaps love, money, or goals. So I see that you will be meeting this person when there will be some lack in your life. Like I told you, like some problems you will maybe going through, or this person will be going through some problems. This person will have to let go and forgive those struggles and the problems, and will have to, you know, this person will be bringing the love after releasing those negative things and cutting down those things. So you have to be careful also, because some person can try to create problems and hurdles and try to make you separate. So be careful. Okay, this is what I'm getting here. Yeah. Okay, next. Bird perched, waiting for news package letter. So I see that you will be meeting this person when you will be waiting and forgiving the negative things and the past things. Or for some of you, I see that you will be waiting, like unrequited love you may have gone through, and then you will be waiting for this person to come back. But I see that this new person, totally new person, will come in your way when you will be on vacation, maybe for some of you. And I'm getting here that you will be bringing clarity and happiness in each other's life. And be careful also. Be careful also, because there will be some envy and jealous persons also. 8 of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, the Tower, oh my God, Scorpio and Aries. Knight of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Ace of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Page of Wands, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, and the Devil. Oh my God. Capricorn. It's really very complicated, let me tell you. I'm getting here that for many of you, you will have to forgive and forget your karmic relationships. Like this person, maybe this person or you may have gone through many negative things and many problems, you know, the karmic relationship, unrequited love, as I was talking about. And this person will, I see that maybe this person or you will not be able to let go the past things, will not be able to let go the negative things. You will be very stuck. You will be very sad. You will be very imbalanced. You will be feeling very tied up, very helpless. You will be feeling as if there's no one to help you out and everything is over. You will be feeling that you will never get love, and you will be feeling that everything is out of my life and everything is lacking in my life. Okay, you will be waiting that when this karmic relationship come back to you, and you will be just stuck, closing your eyes, not accepting anyone to enter in your life. At that time, I see that you will be meeting this person when you will be very sad, very negative, gone through unrequited love, or maybe this person. I see that then suddenly you will be opening your eyes. You will have to, because I see that you will have to forgive and forget the negative things of the past to meet this person, because I'm getting this person will be cutting down the negative things. This person will cut down this clarity of your life. This person will bring the clarity in your life, and this person will cut the chains out of your life. This person will cut the chains out of your life, and this person will bring good news in your way. You will be getting good news. Maybe you are waiting for the good news. This person will be bringing the good news to you. This person will be bringing new beginnings and love and prosperity in your way. This person will be bringing expression in your way, will be bringing and expressing you the love. You will be getting to know each other well, going out, having fun, and you both will be cutting the negative past from each other life, and you both will be very clear and bringing lots of communication, clarity. Both will be having successful connection with each other. So you will be waiting for a good news. At that time, this person will enter in your life and will bring lots and lots of love, happiness, romance in your life. And this person will be very attracted and passionate towards you. So for some of you, I see that you will be meeting this person after you will be cutting down the negative things of your past. Okay, after you will be forgiving the unequated love of your life, and you will be coming out of the stuckness. At that time, you will be meeting this person, and this person will bring clarity and love in your life, and you will be getting to know each other well, going out on the vacation, because you will be having life purpose of healing each other. Okay, and for others of you, I'm getting here, yeah, for others of you, I'm getting here that this will be that person. You may have gone through a breakup because of some third party or maybe other things. You may have gone through unequated love with this person. Okay, and you will be very stuck, very sad. You will not be able to let go this person. And at that time, I see this person will come back to you asking forgiveness from you, because you will be waiting for getting this person back in your life. Yeah, this is here, waiting for news package letter. You will be waiting for this person, and I see that there will be many other persons trying to interfere in your connection, create the blockages, but suddenly this person will break the chains and will ask forgiveness from. So yeah, this person will be bringing expression at that time. Okay, and getting the clarity in your life, cutting down the negative things of the past, and then this person will come back to you. Yeah, this is what I'm picking up here for you guys. But this person will be very powerful, very working hard, focused on their career and all. So this is what I'm getting here for pile number 3. It was the reading of you guys. If it resonated with you, do tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share my channel, guys. I will meet you in the next reading. Till then, bye, take care, have fun. Bye, guys.